Hi, I'm Tom Nugent from Kussmaul Electronics. Today we're going to talk about our new AutoPower 1500 Inverter Charger unboxing and what comes with the unit. First, this is the box that the unit comes in. Very heavy wall, double box with heavy foam packaging, protected in shipping. Put this down for now. So this is the actual unit, front and the back. What comes with the unit? First is you get an instruction manual, very detailed, how to connect all these connections and do all the settings, and all the detailed information on how to accomplish that is in here. We have an adapter to make any adjustments to the current on this unit, which we'll go into on some later videos. So if you notice the front, we have a main operating switch and a AC output GFI socket here, and on the back you'll see we have the DC input, which goes to the vehicle's batteries. These are cable protect covers that go on here. There's some screws in here that will screw these on after you install the cables. We also have an AC input and output in the back for hard wiring, and this is also a cover with strain reliefs that also mount here in the back of the unit. We do have a label with some information on it. This label has our model number, which is 091-263-12-1500. It's a 12 volt unit, 1500 watt. Also comes with the manufacturer date and a QR code. So this QR code is for if you're on the spot, you don't have the instruction manual with you, you can take your smartphone, click on the QR code, and you can download the manual to take a look at it on site. A very important accessory that comes is this is the battery temperature sensor. Now, something very important about this is when you buy the inverter charger and you don't connect this, you're only going to get 25 amp output out of the charger. So to get the full 55 amps DC output to charge the batteries, you need to connect this into the inverter charger and this to the battery. That's very important. So the specifications for this is the inverter is a 1500 watt inverter, pure sine wave, and the charger portion is 55 amps when connected with the temperature sensor. So this is also a UL listed product, and we're going to go into a lot more detail on how to set it up on another video. Thank you.